Why, good morning, Ellie. Ow, ow, Hagrid. Good morning. Yes, I am out in pajamas. AgamaCon is today and tomorrow, so the hubby and I need to leave the house early today. We're going to be stepping out around 9. Hi, Cody. Hi, Cody. So I'm going to spend about 10 minutes having breakfast with the birds. Sunsu. That's not for you. That's for Jet. As soon as I put him back. You can see Jet in the back there energetically eating food with everybody else. He prefers to eat out here. But I don't want him stuck in a position to not have food when he's in the hospital cage, which is most of the time right now. It got down bitter last night. Everything's frosted over this morning. Hello. Oh. Betty and Hagrid just tread again. Lily is trying to steal PJ and Escher's box. Although PJ and Escher are trying to steal this box from his dad and her granddad. Hello, Sissy. Sissy is courting everyone but Valentine, so Valentine's retirement works out. We have somebody wanting to come by this evening to meet the birds and make a decision on who they'd like to bring home. Might be Bird Bird. Might be Bird Bird. Very likely to be Pitch, might even be Cheeks, depending on who reacts to her the best. Hello, Gus. Look at your sweet face. Hi, Puddin'. Kills me. They fly so strongly that the force from their wings, sorry, makes the door move behind me a little bit. Hi, Papillon. Maybe she'll end up liking Papillon. Papillon isn't exactly a pet me girl. And what they want is a pet me, cuddly kind of companion, and Pitch is frankly the best candidate for that. Though Valentine would come in as a close second. She's very strongly food motivated, and if you have food, there is no prying Valentine off of you. Good morning, Bird Bird. You found me. You found me. You did. Hello. Very pretty and sweet. Would you like my hand? Oh, that Pippin. Who's Pippin? This boy. This boy. Where's that Bird Bird going? Is Bird Bird gonna go sip her a zip? Food her some food? Sunsu, be rude to that Bird Bird. Let her eat food. Oh, hello, Ellie. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Mia. Jet's still over there enjoying breakfast. Now, when I get off of here, I'm gonna have to gather him up, put him back in the hospital cage. doesn't like it, but hopefully next Monday, not this coming, he'll be able to go home. There is turmoil in the nest boxes right now. Bye, Gus. Gus was on my head. It belongs to her. Bird, you got some feather face there. Got some feather face, Bird. Do you have that on purpose? Sometimes she does. Sometimes she's trying to carry those back to her nest and cover her neatly arranged eggs. Boop. Hi, Tandy. Oh, hi, Ellie. You wanted lap time. Okay. Bird, would you like some help with that feather face? Would you like some help with that feather? Nope. No? Eggs? Eggs, I guess. Definitely eggs. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Emilio. I hear you, Pippin. There is a wee small Pippin wooing on my shoulder. This tiny boy. Bye, Cody. Now Cody and Gus are arguing over who gets to sit on my head. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, Lily. How's that boy? How's that boy? There goes that Puddin'. There. Chill with all the other birds. I'm bringing my arm down, Pippin. I have to warn him because he's perched on it. Why you got a happy dance on my camera hand? Aw, you're adorable. I love you. He's standing on and very gently preening my camera hand. I'm not allowed to pet him, but he's pretty content to pet me. I smooch you. I smooch you. Thank you. That is a sweet, sweet boy. Well, wife or intruder? Wife. Definitely wife. They're very excited to try again, and Sissy recently came to the realization that he can't fit in there. Speaking of Sissy, where the crap is he? He's in here, but I don't see the boy. He in his box? Yeah, he's in his box. Barely see his face from here. A good boy. I wonder if he's sitting on anything. Honestly, I'd be floored. Also, it looks like Valentine is no longer allowed to share his nest box with him. Well, that's a shame, but our timing for retiring her is good. Oh, are you after that, Tandy? Good luck with that. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Emilio. Hi, Puddin'. Well, our 10 minutes out here is about up. So, along with our adopters and clients, I'd like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for their contributions, both financial and intellectual, which help us develop as a program. We will reconvene in the house in a few minutes for Jeff's 3-week catch day.